Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on making your birthday public or private on Snapchat. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. If you have the birthday party setting turned on, it will make your birthday public, and it will add a cake emoji next to your name on your birthday, and your friends will get notified. To change this setting, go to your profile page on Snapchat and then tap the settings icon from the top right. In settings, tap birthday. You can enable or disable birthday party here. Note that if you do share your birthday this way, it won't reveal your age. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Snapchat tips and tricks.